got some sort of easy way to explain what Salyor is up to? Because it's something that we've tried to explain here a few times. Would you be able to share that in terms of how he's using his stock to buy more Bitcoin?
Yeah. So the simplest way to think about it is that he has access to something that you and I don't have. He has access to an asset that he can effectively print. Okay. And when I say print, I mean that in a loose way. I mean, he has the ability to issue shares of stock. Okay. And the shares of stock have to be absorbed by the market. And the market's going to pay a fair market value for the shares. Okay. And what is the fair market value for the shares? Well, the fair market value of the shares is not the profitability of the business. Okay. Because the actual profitability of the MicroStrategy business, it's trading at significant multiples of what the actual income, the cash flow it's generating, right? So most investors look at a company and they say, what's it worth? And they look at cash flow and, return. That's how they're assessing it. I think MicroStrategy is basically an ETF holding vehicle for a lot of folks that don't yet have the institutional cover to buy the Bitcoin in ETFs. So people are just buying exposure to MicroStrategy because of all the Bitcoin it holds, which becomes a virtuous loop, right? They're buying Bitcoin to buy a stock. They're buying the stock to buy a company that holds Bitcoin. The Bitcoin's appreciating in value, which is appreciating the share value, which is allowing them to issue more stock. That more stock at a higher level can let them buy more Bitcoin, which then, if it keeps going up, if the price keeps continuing, that is increasing the stock. Okay, so you have this kind of positive feedback loop here where you can continue to extract money from willing participants, use it to buy Bitcoin. If Bitcoin still keeps going up, which it's going up forever, Laura, as you said, that it basically creates a perpetual motion machine, right? A perpetual machine where he continues to basically have unlimited access to funds to buy Bitcoin.